Thank you for joining us on this special day. I'm Jessica Navasquez, CEO of Allura. Reopening this plant did not happen overnight. It took the dedication of many employees working long hours for nearly a year to get here today. Today, we celebrate that the lights are back on in Terre Haute.
The Terre Haute plant will improve the range of products and delivery times we offer our customers, which will help to improve Allura's market leadership, which is the result of the quality and the service for which it is known. To my Allura colleagues, you're now part of a company with 33 plants in 9 countries, more than 7,000 employees, and 5,000 customers and distributors in more than 40 countries. I wish those of you who are embarking on this new journey all the best. You should be extremely proud to be part of this great family.
The reopening of this plant represents a win-win situation in every sense of the word, but mostly for our customers and the building industry, as it embodies Elementia's renewed focus to be the innovators of change.
So we can't thank Elementia and Allura enough for investing and believing in Terre Haute. So congratulations and thank you, and look forward to much success.